Hi, today I'm going to show how you can create a Instagram Reels ad from Facebook Ads Manager. So you can get more Reels views for Instagram, and also you can get more followers for Instagram if you're doing the paid advertisement from Ads Manager. To create a campaign, just open your Ads Manager, then click on Create tab. Campaign objective, you can select engagement option, then click the continue button. Here you can give any name for your campaign. Then click the next button to continue. Here you can give any name for your ad set. Then here you can click on your ad option. Then make sure your video views is selected, engagement type. Scroll down. Here you can set your budget, daily budget or lifetime budget. Then scroll down, you can find a start date and end date option. You can set your start date and end date for your campaign. Scroll down. So here you can see the audience option. You can click the switch to original audience option. Then you will have option to target your audience, custom audience or lookalike audience, or detailed targeting like a interest, demographic, behavior you can target. Also you can set your location where you want to run your campaign. Then scroll down, you can see the placement option. Automatic placement is selected. You can switch to manual placement option from here. Then you can scroll down. Then you can see here a lot of placement options are here, but we are going to create a campaign for Instagram Reels, so we will off the other placement option. Feed option we off already. Then in stream ads off, search results off, apps and sites off. Then we have here option like stories and reels. Instagram stories, Facebook stories we off already. Messenger stories also. Now Instagram Reels is on. Facebook Reels also on, but if you want to off, you can off. For now I will keep on. So I'm going to run campaign in Instagram and Facebook Reels, and you can see the dimension here. 9:16 is the dimension, the ratio for your video. So we need to create the same dimension video. 9:16 in pixel. This is the pixel dimension. 1080 width and 1920 height. So we need to create the video in this dimension. This is in pixel. So I'm going to click the next button. This is the ad level. You can create any name for the ad. Then scroll down. Then you can see the create ad option here. Here you can click the media add video option to upload your video. I'm going to click this. Then you will have option to upload your reels from here. Click and upload your file. So it will come here. Then you need to select the file. Then go to the next option. Then click next and click the done button. So your video will be here uploaded. So you can see the preview, Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels. Just for sample I put one video here, but you can put your proper video for your ad. Just make sure all the setting is correct, then you can publish your campaign.